Okay. Okay. So, no doubts from yesterday's session, right? Okay. File. I'll create a new file. Save it. And I'll call it. Okay. Now, let's say I'm taking variable A. Okay. And how do I take input from user? Using input function, right? In this, I can write a message also that so that user will know what I am trying to get. Okay. Enter a float. Okay. Okay. Visible, right? Very. One second. Okay. Visible, right? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Maybe, yeah. Yeah, it is should be fine now. Enter a float number. Okay. Now there are two ways. Okay. First, tell me what will be the type of A here. Float. Sirisha? Okay. Type of A. So you're saying it should be float. Okay. Now let me string. Huh? String is enter float number print out అంతే. I'll give a value now 45.5. Then what will be the type of A? Sir, input ముందు int అన్న float ఎలా కదా Exactly. సో మేము ఇంకా కన్వర్షన్ చేయలేదు సో అది స్ట్రింగే ఉంటుంది రైట్ లెట్స్ టెస్ట్ ఇట్ 45.5 okay it is string. Now here's the test for you. Write one line statement here wherever the cursor is to make A as a float number. Who can do it? Write one line statement and convert A into a float number so that the result of type A should come as float. Who can do it?
టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఏఆర్ పెడతారా దీంట్లో
ఇంకేం మారదు జస్ట్ కర్సర్ ఉన్న చోట ఇక్కడ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ సంథింగ్ సో దట్ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ ఫ్లోట్ సో yesterday's concepts only
a is equals to int of a
we have to convert it to float.
float of a also
Okay, who will come and write? Ishwar? Here you have to type something so that the results should come as float. Okay. Run it. Enter the number. Okay, good. Now, this is good, right? Now what I want is I need one line to be written so that the output should be type of A should become int. What is one line that you can write here where the cursor is that the output becomes int? Here you have to write something.
A
So
equal to int of A.
A is equal to
Int of
int of A. Very good.
Huh?
Yeah, sure.
Hello. ఇన్ని ఎదురుగా నలభై అవసరం చేయండి అప్పుడు ఇచ్చేయండి A is equal to int of A. Right. Very good. Now let's say I have a variable called B and I want type of B. Now B is equal to A. Now tell me what will be the type of B? Float. Very good. Now I want you to write one line here so that B becomes a integer. Here you have to write. Here you have to add something so that B becomes a integer. Type of B becomes integer. So Chetan, what will it be? What will you write here so that it becomes an integer? Int of A. Ishwar? Okay. You remember last exercise, right? Yes.
Here I gave you a blank line, you added some code. You added some code in this blank line and it became float. Now it is not a blank line, it is a already written line. You have to add some extra code here. You have to write some code so that when output comes, this output of type of B should become int. Okay, so what can you write here to make it int? Or else I will make it more simpler for you. Okay, now I have a variable called B. Okay, right now if I run, it will error out because I have not assigned anything to B. Wait. See, right now I have not assigned anything to B. Now you write the remaining code, fill in the blanks. Basically, you have to fill in the blanks so that B becomes an integer. What will you write? And it should have whatever the value is there in the A. What will you write here? B equal to int of A. Okay. So I'll see 56.4 and B is now integer. Okay, now tell me what was the value that is there inside B. If I type print B, what value will I get? Okay. So now I have given 56.6. Now tell me what will be the value of B? 56. Ishwar? Chetan? Okay. Oh, Ishwar 56.6 చెప్పాడు. Do 5 sit-ups. Okay, so Ishwar, this conversions you have little bit doubt or is it clear?
Yes.
Clear. మరి 56.6 ఎందుకు చెప్పు? So you have to slowly think what is happening. Write it on pen paper. Write int is being converted, float is being converted into int. What happens when a float is converted into int? the decimals are removed, and then you have to write. Okay, you have to think more about answering everything. Okay. Okay. Now, after in the lab, we'll do more work with you. Okay. Now, with this, we have done a little bit revision of what we have covered yesterday. Okay. Okay. Now, let's say we are doing conversions, right? And conversions are happening very nicely. But what if we do wrong conversions? What will happen? Let's say, what if I do like, I'm saying enter a float number and then I'm doing a float conversion, right? What if I don't give a float number? And I say, I give a string. What will happen now? It will error out. Okay. What will it say? It cannot convert string to float. So conversions are possible, but only when the data is right. If you don't have the right data, let's say in a string format, if you don't have a float or a number, it will not convert it into a number. Okay. Okay. Now, I have a small assignment for you. Convert string, you can note it down. You can do it in lab. Convert string string, integer and float to Boolean values. And tell me what is the result. We covered Booleans, right? True or false? Okay, I'll show you again. BL is equal to, if I'm write it, true, and then I print type of BL, then you will see bool. You see this? This is Boolean value. So to convert anything, you will use the function. Just like for int, you are using the function int. For float, you are using the function float. String, you are using function str. For Boolean, you will use the function bool. Now convert integer, string, and number to Boolean and tell me what string will convert to false. Okay. What is converting to false and what is converting to true? Numbers, it is simple. If you give 45.5 and convert it to float, it will be converted to 45.5. If you give 45.5, converted it to int, it will convert to 45. Remove the decimals. Okay. But what happens with the Boolean if you give 45.5 and convert it to Boolean? Will it error out? Will it give a value? Will it be true or will it be false? You have to find out. Okay. Just like that, you give string and see what it is converting to. You give true, see what it is converting to. You give false string and then you try to convert it to Boolean. See if it converts to Boolean or it converts to what, or does it error out. Okay. Boolean conversion is your homework. You'll do in the lab. Okay. Now, so you have covered this, right? Converting int to float, float to int, string to float, and string to int. Okay, we have not covered what happens when we convert int to string. What will happen? Let's say I have 45. I convert it to string. What will be the output? No, it will just convert 45 to 45, but as a string. So I'll say I'll have in number 45. This is a int, right? Now I'll say a is equal to 1 second. Print a is equal to
str. Okay. Then right, okay. And okay, tell me what will be the outputs for first print of A. What will be the output? Okay, next print what will
String class string
huh,
45
huh,
string.
45. It will still be 45, but as a string. So you cannot do mathematical calculations on it. Okay, both of them are 45, but one of them is a string 45. Another one is int 45. You cannot do mathematical calculations on.
String.
Huh. Now, what if now tell me A plus A and here also A plus A. Tell me what will be the value of A plus A here?
90.
90.
Class
Huh. 45 int and here 90. Right. And
string
45 string and here
45 90.
9 about 90 or 70.
okay, wait. Okay, here you are saying printf 90. Sorry, 45. Okay, type of A int. Okay, this is fine. A plus A 90, right? This is good. Now, here string of A we have converted. So here again it will be 45 but as a string. Type of A will be string. Okay. And here you are saying what will be the output? Huh? 180.
String 45 వస్తుంది.
So, Chetan, ఇక్కడ once we are doing the into sign, right? ఇంకో అసైన్మెంట్ ఇప్పుడు ఇంటూ సైన్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుందంటే యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ స్మాల్ బ్యాగ్ అనుకో ఓకే ఆ బ్యాగ్ లో నువ్వు యూ పుట్ బనానాస్ ఇన్ దట్ స్మాల్ బ్యాగ్ యు ఆర్ క్యారింగ్ ఓకే అండ్ దెన్ వెన్ యూ డూ దిస్ ఇంటూ సైన్ రైట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ ఇస్ దట్ ఆ బనానా తీసేసి వేరే వాల్యూ అసైన్ చేస్తున్నావు మ్యాంగోస్ పెడుతున్నట్టు ఉంటుంది సో నువ్వు ఈక్వల్ టు ఎస్టిఆర్ ఆఫ్ ఏ రాసావు కదా అది ముందున్న వాల్యూ వెళ్ళిపోయింది that the earlier value is not there in it. Now instead of banana you have put mangoes. When you say A is equal to string of A, that means you are saying A is equal to remove bananas, put mangoes inside. So when after that, after writing this step, when you again access the bag, you won't have those bananas. Those are gone. The new value that is there, this is the first assignment we are doing here. Okay. We've done 45, right? This is an integer. But after the second assignment, that value is gone. That will not be there. Whatever the latest value is there, that will only hold. Okay, he is saying 90.
First 90 వస్తుంది సార్
First is okay. I can just this one you did.
క్యాల్కులేషన్
45 వస్తుంది.
ఎలా చూపిస్తుంది
Error చూపిస్తుంది.
ఆల్రెడీ అక్కడ ప్లస్ పైన 90 వచ్చింది కదా అదే 90 వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ స్ట్రింగ్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేసి
చూడు ఇక్కడ a రాసాము బట్ డిడ్ వి అసైన్ ఇట్ టు ఎనీథింగ్ అసైన్ ఈక్వల్ టు సైన్ ఉందా అది జస్ట్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది ఆ అసైన్మెంట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ ఓన్లీ వెన్ దెర్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు సైన్ యు ఆర్ థింకింగ్ a plus a we have done but what you are thinking is a is equal to a plus a. This is different. When you have a is equal to a plus a, then it will add. But if this equal to sign is not there, no addition, no changes of values will happen. Okay? Without this equal to sign. Okay? So before we go to this answer, what will happen?
A plus A
Okay. I will do a small
45 plus 45 interview. ఇంకా కింద ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది.
in the error వస్తుంది. Okay. Okay, we'll have, let's have a small see, let's have a small bet what everyone is saying. Ishwar is saying error. Just this line, error.
45 plus 45 interview.
All everything is fine. Just this line I want. Sirisha, what will happen here? Print a plus a. 45. Okay, Chetan, what will be printed here? ఇంకా 180 లో ఎందుకున్నావు చేతన్?
నాకు అర్థం కాలేదండి. ఆల్రెడీ ఏ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ 90 వచ్చేసింది. బట్ నేను ఏమన్నానంటే 90 ఈక్వల్ స్ట్రింగ్ కదా. స్ట్రింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ అన్నారు. వాల్యూ సేమ్ 90 ముందుకు వస్తుంది.
Okay, I'll cover it in the lab. You remind me. Okay, so okay, now whoever has wrong answer has to give 10 rupees chocolate to me. Whoever has right answer, I'll give them dairy milk silk. Okay, right. Now I'll give, since you are new, I'll give another chance. Okay, we'll do some more calculations and then I'll give you chance to come back to this answer and change it. Okay, I'll do a new file. Okay. Now let's say A is equal to hello. What was the type of A? String. B is equal to okay, string. Now okay, now tell me what will be the answer. Hello Ishwar. Ishwar.
both are string errors.
So they'll add. Chetan. Okay. This is for Chetan only, not for anybody else. What is the second output? Okay. ఇక్కడ hello Ishwar, okay? Okay. మరి ఇక్కడ మీ పాత లాజిక్ యాజ్ పర్ యువర్ పాత లాజిక్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి hello Ishwar కదా, ఎందుకు కాదు? అర్థమైందా? గుడ్, పక్కా అర్థమైంది కదా? When will hello Ishwar come? Okay, tell me. When will hello Ishwar come? When you do a assignment to another variable. C is equal to A plus B, and then you again do C plus A plus B, or you do C plus C. Without assignment, values will not change. That equal to operator will. Okay. What I have to do? Turn on the light. Okay. It's still visible, kada? Okay, so without this equal to operator, no assignment will be made. So you can print, you can show, but without equal to, things will not change. It is like you take a bag. Okay, in that bag bananas are there. When you print, it is like chupi emundi. When you write equal to, it TCC where pet. Okay, clear, Chetan? Now Now let's see what is printing out here. Okay. Okay. Now let's see what it is printing. Right. Okay, hello Ishwar has printed, right? Now, okay. Now I'll give you option. Now tell me what will be the output of A plus A?
45 or
45,
45 plus 1.
45 plus 45. Chetan?
45, 45,
4, 5,
45.
4, 5. 4, 5, 4, 5
Yes.
or 45 an error?
45.
4, 5, 4, 5. Chetan?
45.
Okay. So now your next answer is Ishwar, what is your next answer?
45, 45.
4, 5, 4, 5. Okay. Sirisha, what is your answer?
And then
Error. Okay.
or 45.
Hey, you have to tell only one answer. అన్ని చెప్పేస్తే మరి one of them will be right. You have to be sure. See.
Uh, 45, 45 or error.
Error? Okay, I'll consider error only. Chetan?
45, 45.
4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, now let me run it. Okay. What is the answer? 4, 5, 4, 5. So Sirisha, you have to give me one chocolate. Both of you will get Dairy Milk Silks. Okay. So why 4, 5, 4, 5 has come? Earlier 90 has come. Endukante the data is same, but the data type is integer at that time. Once it becomes string, with string when you do addition, it becomes concatenated string. Just like hello Ishwar, in the Python program will not see what is inside it. It will see that it is a string. I'll just add it 45, 45 like that. Hello Ishwar, it will just add hello Ishwar. Okay. 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 So this was our day 2 revision. Okay. Now let's come to day 3. Okay. Okay. We have done A is equal to okay. Let me do this. First, I'll do A is equal to 45. Okay. Then I say A is equal to A plus 5. What will be the answer? It will be 50. 50. So, there is another operator to write the same code, that is A plus equal to 5. What will this do? This will do the same thing as A is equal to A plus 5. You write this or you write this, both of them are same. Plus equal to means whenever you will write plus equal to, it will just add whatever the number variable you are using. It will add it, and so this is just equal to this is equal to A is equal to A plus 5. Okay, now A minus equal to 5 means what will happen here? A is equal to A minus 5. So, okay. Now you tell me here the value is 45. Here what will be the value of A?
50.
Plus 5, okay, plus 1. Okay. Here it is 50. Now, what will be the value here? +10 కి +5 కి ఎంత డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది చేతన్? Now, huh? Okay. Okay. Again, here you are saying A is equal to 45, right? So you are taking value of A from here. But Malli, there is a equal to sign here, right? So ఏమైంది 45 తీసేసి ఏం పెట్టమన్నారు ఇక్కడ 50. So current value of A is ఎప్పుడైనా లాస్ట్ లేటెస్ట్ లైన్ చూడాలి. నువ్వు ఇక్కడ వెళ్తున్నావా, ఏ ప్రింట్ చేసావా? సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు వాట్ ఎవర్ ద లేటెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఏ ఇస్, దీనికన్నా పైన లైన్ లో చూడు ఏముంది వాల్యూ ఏలో. ఓకే, నీకు డౌట్ ఉంటే ఏం వాల్యూ ఉందో బిఫోర్ డూయింగ్ యువర్ క్యాల్కులేషన్, లెట్స్ సే యూ హ్యావ్ డౌట్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఏ? ఇక్కడ ఏ 45 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఏ 50 ఉంది, నేనేం తీసుకోవాలి? జస్ట్ బిఫోర్ డూయింగ్ యువర్ క్యాల్కులేషన్, you print your value. Print A. You will know what is the correct value. It will be 50 because this is the latest. Simple example. I'll do it with you in the lab. Okay. Now, here what will be the value of A is equal to A minus 5? Sorry, A minus equal to 5. What will be the value? 45. Right. So like that, you also have A now you tell me what will be the value. So tell me what is the expression, what does it mean? A is equal to 45 into 5. Very good. 45 into 5. Now A, this, what will be the meaning of this?
45 by 5 by 5.
1 second. What will it be?
45 into 45.
50 by 5. Right. Very good. Ishwar, you tell me what is the expression here? A is equal to 245 by 5. 2?
5 by 5.
45 into 5. 225. Good. So, in the statement, how it would be? A divided by 5. A is equal to A divided by 5. So, you understood the concept how we are combining two operators? Plus equal to, minus equal to, divided by equal to. That is, whatever the value are there, A divided by that. Okay? It is just a shorthand. Okay. Now we'll do some comparison operators. Okay. Now yesterday's problem we had a problem which I removed. Find out whether the number is even or odd. How will you find out? You will do 2 modulo number modulo 2. If it is 0, it is a even number. If it is not 0, it is a odd number. But how will you check whether the number is 0 or not? Double equal to operator, right? So those are the operators we'll cover today. Double equal to operator. That is when you compare something is same as the other thing or not. Okay? Like that we have other comparison operators. Okay, it is visible now.
Huh.
So whenever you want to compare something, you will use the equal to operator. Now, what is compare? I'll show you. One second. Now, okay. Now let's say A is equal to 45. B is equal to 35. Now, tell me if A and B have the same value or not. How will you find out?
Not
It is not equal, you know. Okay.
A is equal to.
Wait, I'll do this. Input. Okay. Now I want to find out whether the value of A and B are same. Okay. How will I do? I don't know the numbers. User will give me the number dynamically. How will I find out whether they are same or not? We use the equal to operator. So this operator means it will check whether the values are same or not. Okay.
తర్వాత A is double equal to B. Then
Next.
A is double equal to B.
A double equal to B. Print.
Both are same.
కానీ A is equal to B చెప్పామా? We said A is equal to B. Did you compare? You compare. But is it true or false? You don't know, na? Whenever you do this comparison, right? Any logical operator, this list lo unna a logical, any operator that you use, it will actually give you a result. C is equal to, it will give you a result. So you're comparing two things. Is this heavier than this? What is the natural answer I'll give? Yes or no I'll give, right? In Python, what is yes or no variable? Boolean. So whenever I do a comparison, any of the comparison operators, it will give me a value which is heavier. It will either give me true or false. Or I will ask, is the remote same as the batteries? Yes or no? No. That has to be stored somewhere, right? That will be stored in C. So we'll not say both are same or not. We'll say print C. Are the values same? And then we'll say C. C will tell you whether it is true or false. Just like when you do A plus B, you have to assign it to someone, no? C is equal to A plus B, or else it will not. A plus B will just be displayed. It will not be held anywhere. Just like that, you can write C is equal to, C will be, what will be the type of C? Pakka? What will be the type of C? I'll do it again. Is this same as this? No. Yes or no is what type of variable?
Boolean.
So what is C?
Boolean.
Boolean. Right. So whenever you do a comparison of